Hello everyone, if you are new at my channel, so welcome back to my channel. This is Anam here and today we are gonna create this look. So without wasting any time, let's get started our video. So in start, obviously as usual, I'm going to use a new moisturizer. I love this moisturizer because it keeps my skin moisturized more than 12 hours. After that, I always love to use vitamin C eye moisturizer. It keeps my eyes smooth, so whenever I do apply concealer, it didn't gives any kind of crease. So don't forget to apply primer, because if you have fine lines, open pores, so the primer fills everything. And then I use this tattoo station. It's waterproof eyebrow gel. So very gently fill your eyebrows. It takes a little bit time, but you will did a great job too. So makeup doesn't goes with one hand. If you are starting it will take a little bit time, and obviously with practice you will do much better than before. I'm just filling my eyebrows and I'm giving it outline, and after that I'll fill from inside, and later I'll brush it with spoolie. And yes, there you go. And I'm blending my front area with spoolie, and after that I'll do my other eyebrow off camera, and you can see it's all done. So I do love concealer to use on my eyebrows. I'm just making sure to balance my front area eyebrow. So yes, like this you can make sure that you have equally eyebrows, and just fill in the gap and apply all concealer to make neat your eyebrow. And you can apply it on your eyelid also, so it will give your eyeshadows a nice coverage. I don't use light shadow mostly, but I do love to use light shade concealer for my eyebrows and for my eyeshadow concealer, like for eyeshadow base. And after using eye concealer, don't forget to set it with setting powder, or you can dab it with setting spray also, but powders are must, like very important. So here I'm using Beauty Bay palette. I'm taking dark purple shade for crease and just blending it with my brush. Blending is very important. I know I'm not good in blending for now, but I'm trying my best, as it will also take a little bit time when I learn blending. So I did my other eye on off camera, otherwise video will become too long. And now I'm taking a lighter shade and blending the edge of my purple shade. Just blend it well. Yes, blend. And now for outer corner, I'm taking a little bit of black here and applying it on outer corner. It will give a like smoky look. And just blend it with your purple shade. And yes, it's looking not that much bad. And now I'm taking these pigments. I bought this from MAC. These are MAC pigments. I'm using this green shade, dark green shade on my eyelid, and just dab it on your eyelid and little bit drag. Don't try to blend it. And I did it on my other eye. Now I'm taking a purple shade and just applying it a little bit on my green shade. And yes, this is the look. So here I'm going to try e.l.f. concealer. It's actually color corrector, orange color corrector. It's not a dark orange, a light shade of orange. And I'm just applying it on my dark spots. Blending it with my finger. You can use brush or a sponge also, but yeah. And it's a concealer time. I don't use foundation or my under eye. Concealers are best to use under eye. Don't apply foundation, otherwise it's gonna give you crease. Concealer will never give you crease if you are using concealer, and just set it with your powder. and it's time for eyeliner. It takes a lot of time to me to apply eyeliner, so I'm not taking full video. I'll skip a little bit of part. I'm just making my inner corner, and after that obviously I will do my outer corner. Eyeliner actually needs practice, more and more practice, especially those people who have hooded eyes. They actually need practice. So it's under eye makeup time. I'm just applying the same eyeshadows which I applied upon my eye. I'm applying a purple shade at my waterline, and then the same pink shade to blend that purple shade. And yes, this is how scary I'm looking now. And now I'm applying LA Girl eyeliner at my waterline, and then I'll blend it with brush, and also will apply it under my waterline too, to give my makeup a pop-up look. And see how I am blending my dark eyeliner with my eyeshadows. And these were my favorite foundations. Actually, they are not available at Avon anymore. These were Mark foundation, liquid foundations, and I'm taking 2 shades. I couldn't get the perfect shade, so I bought 2 shades. It's very easy to mix and match 2 foundations and make your own shade. Just blend it well and apply it on your face, and you can see how amazing this is. It gives me a perfect foundation shade. I just love this. It's very easy to blend. After applying foundation, at least liquid foundation, don't forget to apply loose powder. Just set your foundation so it will go long. And this one is Avon Magic Sticks. I do mostly use this stick for my face contour. You can use as your foundation, as your like highlighter, and just blend it with tiny brush, and don't blend it with a wide brush. And just going to set my contour with the powder. Actually, I'm just cutting my contour with powder. So if I have a spread here, so it will like hide, just giving that a matte look. Don't be scared, guys. At the end I will not look that much scary, and you still can see on my left eye my eyeshadow is not that much blended, but yeah, I'll try to blend my eyeshadow as well. So this one is a new mascara at Avon, and this is the band, and it gives your eyelashes and a volume and a curly lashes, and like you can see a thick lashes. It gives a fake lashes like look. So I'll try it later on also, but for now I'm using it, and these are the eyelashes which I'm going to apply. I bought it from Amazon. Eyelashes will also take a little bit time to learn how you can apply it, but it's easy, yeah. So so I just did my eyelashes, and yes, it's final look. And I'll just spray a little bit of makeup fixing spray, which one is from Avon. These are earrings which I bought from Avon. My link is in description. If you wanna buy anything, you can go there. And yes, this is the final look. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. I just love if you do send me any comment, and if you like my video, and if you will consider to subscribe to my channel. God bless you all. Take care. Bye.